Hey, how's it going, guys? Got some exciting news today. Package showed up. It is a new fairing kit for this. You might be thinking, hey, why do you need a new fairing kit? Well, I guess I don't really need a new fairing kit, but this one is 20 years old. This is the original, and I have a hole here on the side, and I don't want to talk about it. No, I didn't fall or anything. It was just a stupid accident. Had it in the back of the truck and it tipped over on its side, landed right there, popped a hole in the back piece here. I tried looking for a matching piece, but they're pretty pricey, the ones that I could find. So I figured it made more sense just to buy the whole kit until I come across a cheap kit for that. But I'm not going to dispose of the body. It's still in mostly good shape. There are a lot of clear coat scratch marks and swirls, as you would expect, I think, on a 20-year-old bike. One that's been ridden. It's got, 33,500 miles, 33.7 right now. I think honestly, yeah, this is stuff that would buff and everything, and it'll look just fine. It doesn't really have any deep scratches, none that you can get a fingernail caught in. So it's all still pretty good shape. But anyway, the package. So I bought this fairing kit online. No, I haven't opened it yet. That's why I have this. I spent, I want to say it was like $350 or $380. I don't know. My wife ordered it. So thank you, wife. Here we go. Try not to cut too deep or anything. I don't want to wreck it. Got that. Always cut towards yourself with a knife. That's what I've been told. That's what I'm... Just kidding. I'm breaking the rules. Anyway, whatever. And got that. Woo! Okay. So when I looked online, before I get too into this thing, from China... Oh, it smells weird. Hold on. Okay, well, it smells a little weird. Anyway, before I get too into this, it says it came with a new windshield, the tank, the fairing kit, and everything. All pre-painted. Yep, pre-painted. And all of the bolts. And did I say the windshield? I think I did. Anyway, okay. Open this up. Put the knife down. Let's see what we got here. I'm excited. First order of business. I'll just start with what's on top, right? It's like, what are these bulbs? Fireflies. Oh, is it for your tire caps? I think it is, yeah. Okay. Oh, that's kind of neat. I wasn't expecting that. Looks like a whole bunch of different colors. Here, I'll open it up real quick. Okay, well that's kind of neat. It had a grip for the tank, and two of these looks like they go on your valve stem. I'll look at those later. I wasn't expecting that. So anyway, back to this. I think this is a heat shield. Pretty sure. Wait, where do I even start? Like we got this. You know what I think I'm gonna do? No, you know what? I'll pull it all out. So I've got that. I don't know how they fit it all in this box. Another piece here. Whatever comes out the easiest. Big old piece here. I want to see it because it's painted. Another piece here. Oh, I think I saw some orange in there. I bought an orange kit. Orange is my favorite color. Well, I shouldn't say I bought it. My wife bought it. It's our money, but she picked it out. She knows I like orange. Here's the new windshield. Nice. I don't even know if I'm going to put it on. I guess I'll see how the finished product looks. Here's the current windshield. It's also, I think, from being cleaned for 20 years. Also has light scratches all over it, but I don't know if I want to put it on or not. Just because if anything happens to that one, or to my windshield, I'd rather have it happen to that one there. Then I can put the new one on. Let's see what else we got. Another piece. I've been wanting to get this one out just because it's big. And so I put this cardboard on the ground. I'm going to lay out the pieces next to the bike. Kind of get a picture of how it's going to look. First I'll have to open everything and see. So far everything is looking pretty good. Just lay that there. Those are going to be the two biggest pieces. Here I think is probably one of the rear. It goes like this. Yeah. Like that. Alright, so here's what I'm going to do for you guys so you don't have to watch me pull crap out of a box. I'm going to pause it. And once you come back, it's all going to be opened up and ready to go. Okay, so I know when I said that when I come back, everything is going to be opened up and ready to go. But no, I couldn't wait. I opened up the tank. That was the first thing I got. Oh my god. It's beautiful. I don't know if my camera is going to show the detail in here. Let's see. Oh, yep. It's got like a real nice sparkle in here. And I just have my garage lights. They're really not the greatest. I've only got these. So it's nothing fantastic as far as lighting goes. This looks great. Look at that. Less than $400. Wow. Wow, that's nice. Okay, back to business. Wow, it's really looking pretty good. Look at that. Old, new. I love this color though, that one. This is awesome. Wow. I'll keep going. Alright, so here's everything outside the packaging. Except the windshield. I don't know if I'm going to use the windshield. Because I already have one. Look at that shine. Pretty freaking good deal. Was it like $350? $358. All the pieces out. Looks really, really nice. So I'm not going to have it in this video, but my next video I'll have the disassembly of that and the assembly of this going on the bike. We'll see how that turns out. Thanks for watching.